So today we shall start sets. Okay. Now a collection or a group is called a set if we are certain about that which elements belongs and which elements do not belong to that group. Okay, a set is a collection of things. Suppose collection of students in your class, collection of girls in your class. So these are the collections or group of people which is called elements. So this is called a set. Okay, suppose planets of the solar system, it is a set. Names of days in a week in Assamese, it is a set. Okay, classes in a school, it is also a set. So this is the collection of things is called a set. Now a set is represented, see, S is equals to second bracket A B C D E. It is a set and it is represented by giving a second bracket like this, and A B C D E are called the elements of this set. These A B C D E are called the elements of this set S. Now what is tabular or roster method of representing a set? Suppose a set S, set of suppose set of A B C D E. So these A B C D E are called elements of this set S. Okay, now if I write element, E-L-E-M-E-N-T, because A, B, C, D, E are elements of this set S, no? So element, then we will use this symbol, belongs to a set. Suppose I can write A belongs to set S, means A belongs to this set S is nothing but your A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now you see, if I write set, we will have to use this symbol. It is called subset, proper subset. Okay, and if I write a set, it is just a subset. Okay, the difference between these two symbols is that this is proper subset and this is only subset. Now for example, A, B, C, this is a set. Okay, and this I will write this symbol S. S is nothing but A, B, C, D, E. Now the condition is that these elements, all these elements must be present in the set S, like A, B, C, no? So this is A, B, C, D, E. So there must, all the elements must be present there. See, A is there, B is there, C is also there, isn't it? So I will write like this. Suppose A, B, C, D, E. This is a set, no doubt about it. So I will write this symbol A, B, C, D, E, like this. So you see, element belongs to a set. Okay, we will use this symbol, but if a set is there, then we will use this symbol. Okay, now another term used is phi. So phi is it is a null set. Its element is 0. There is no element. So, and phi is the subset of every set. Phi is the subset of every set. Okay. Now, set of natural numbers n n for natural numbers. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 up to infinity. This is called set of natural number. N is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 up to infinity. Now if I write whole number, then it will be W stands for whole number 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to infinity. It is set of whole number. Again, if I write Z is nothing but the set of all integers. So integers are, we know, 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, like this up to infinity. So it is set of integers. Now we shall discuss about the tabular form or roster method of representing a set. Okay, in this method, you see, suppose S is a set of anything, a set of natural numbers less than 10. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Set of natural numbers less than 10. Okay, so it will be represented as S equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 9 using this second bracket. Second bracket is always used in sets. Okay, so this form of writing the set is called tabular or roster method. Okay, only the elements are represented here. Only the elements are represented. Now the second is rule method or set builder method. So same set of natural numbers less than 10. So I will represent it as x such that x is called such that, you can give the oblique sign also, or you can give this sign also. So x such that x belongs to natural number where x less than 10. So this form of writing the set is called the rule method or set builder method. Okay, like x such that x belongs to n where x less than 10. So natural number we know starts from 1 only. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 9. So this form of writing any set is called a rule method or set builder method. Now subset. What is a subset? Suppose U is a bigger set. Okay, suppose U equals to 1 2 3 4 up to 10. Okay, and A is any set, suppose 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we can say that A is the subset of U. We can write A is the subset of U, or you can say that A is the proper subset. This symbol is specifically used for proper subset. So we can say that A is the proper subset of U. A is less and U is bigger. Okay, 1 2 3 4, these all are there present in U, and more elements are there in U also. So we will use this symbol which is called proper subset. But if I write U and here U is nothing but your set, so we will write this symbol. Okay, now so this is the difference between these two symbols. If it is less one element, if it is less, then I will use this symbol, but if it is same, then I can write this symbol. But most of the time we use this symbol only, so you can remember it. Now another important thing is that power set. What is a power set? Suppose a set S equals to 1 2 3. Okay, any set A S is equals to 1 2 3. Now power set of A is represented as P of S. This is your S, sorry. Power set of S is written as all the subsets of S. You have to write subsets of S, all the subsets. Then what are the subsets of S? First of all, I will write 1 using second bracket. See, this is the second bracket because it is itself a set, so I will start it with the second bracket. But the subsets of S are 1. No, another is 2, then 3, then 1 2. 1 2 is another subset, then 2 3, then 1 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 2 3 is there, 1 2 is there, 1 3. Okay, then another is your 1 2 3 and 5. So these are all the subsets of S. No, 1 2 3 subsets. That's why I have written it as in the second bracket. So 1 2 3, 1 2 2 3, 1 3, 1 2 3 and 5. Initially I have told you that this 5 is the subset of any set. Any set, 5 will be the subset every time. So this collection of all the subsets is the power set of S. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements are there. Now number of elements in the power set is represented as 2 to the power n of S. N of S means number of elements in S. Now in this case 2 to the power, how many numbers of elements are there? 1 2 3. So I will write it here 3, so it will be 8. Now you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is also 8. So this is the concept of power set.